Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a quick video. This will only be a short video. Just thought I'd show you January's purchases off eBay. I thought if I do this once a month, it'll be something different, won't it? A bit of different content to show you what I bought on eBay or social media or whatever of what I've got. I think this is all. I've got one more item to come for this month anyway, but that's just the Mercedes white lorry, and I only got that because I wanted to cover on the back. So anyway, let's have a look. First up, BMW 2000 T-Lux. Is it T-Lux? Yeah, T-Lux. Now I got this one. Been after one of these for a while. This is the one with the battery operated indicators. And I have had a look, but on first I put a battery in it and they didn't work, but the bulbs are in there, so it's a matter of just testing the bulbs, and if not, try and find some more. So yeah, we've got this one to do. It's not in bad condition. Glass is okay, number plates are on it, indicators are in place, a couple of tyres missing. I need to get some hollow tyres, just the ones that fit on here. I think I've saw some somewhere on eBay. I've got them on the watch list. So that's that one. That's a Dinky toys, by the way. This one, I got this come the other day in the post. I did some bidding on this one. It's got the door on the back, which is good, and it's got the original door in here, but it's got a broken pin there. So that's not going to be a hard repair. Sort that out. I got this one because I wanted to match the other one I've got. The maroony colour one I did a while back in a previous video. I like the colour of this one. Then this is Newmarket Races. So yeah, it's a bit battered. And it's got a broken mudguard there. So I've got to fix that. So that's that one. Dinky Toys again. I don't know, is there a number on here? No, there's no number on here. But so we've got that in there. I need to get some tyres as well. So that's that one. I got this one. The old Fodden. Dinky Toys Fodden, Super Toys. It's a bit battered. And I chose this one because it was quite cheap, considering these are going for good money. And it got a good ladder on the top, because often these are all bent and out of shape, and this was here, and it also got a spare wheel. So you know, if you're looking for stuff on eBay like this, you got to give a good look at it. No broken pillars, stuff like that. There's back axle missing, that's all. But I've got two 20-ton cranes up there with the same style of hub, so I'll nick the axle off of one of them. That's not a problem. So yeah, this one is the Regent one. It's got Regent there. I've got the decals for it. So that was good. I think there's one either side. A little emblem on the back, and you get, with the decal set, you get the white stripe, which helps no end. So that's that one. And this one, I've been after one of these for a long time. A long time. The Vegan coach. Yeah, dual headlight version. Opening boot. And a battery at the bottom. Now I've tried that and it does work, even though the indicator glasses are missing. I dig in my pocket, and I've got the old cheapo pound shop batteries, and yeah, just slop it in a bot there, back there, and the bulbs do work. But it's very difficult to demonstrate it because it's got a hell of a wide turning circle on this. Yeah, it's took me 3 months, 4 months to get one I wanted. This has got good glass all round, which is a bonus, because a lot of them have got a cracked glass. I'm not surprised, because it's a big piece of glass. And they've got all the tyres on it, it's got the boot on it, and it's a screw base. So we've got that one to do. A lot of people buy these and turn them into the Italian job coach. So that's it, that one. And last but not least, this came this morning. Chipperville Circus, TK Bedford. So we got that. Got all the doors working, all in place. so that's good. Got odd tyres on it all over. There's a bit of damage to the roof there, but this is plastic. It should be able to sand that smooth. Just need some decals for it. It's got the hitch pin. I know crap old Nick did one of these, so I'm going to look at his video, see how he got it apart. This is the cab for it. It's got a bit of a crack in the glass, but unfortunately not a lot I can do about that, and I need some mirrors, so I need to buy some mirrors. And this has got odd tyres as well, so there you go. And I bought some, can't remember, I bought some JB Weld. Yeah, I'll just show you that. Anybody's interested, dig it out of here. I haven't used it yet. I bought some JB Weld. It seems to be good stuff. It's had good reviews. I'll do the mudguard on the horse box for that. So I've got that. That's it really. So just a quick video, and I think I might do it once a month just to see to show you what I've got. Make it a bit interesting. Okay, right, so I've got things to do today, so I'll see you shortly. Bye for now.